Tofu fans, do save today's recipe as we will make delicious salted egg tofu today. Follow my channel now so you can refer back anytime you need this recipe. Not only is tofu delicious, it also has many health benefits. Tofu is rich in soy isoflavones. Moreover, tofu is a food rich in plant protein. It is low in fat, contains no cholesterol, and is also good for heart health. This dish of tender tofu with salted eggs has a delicate texture, a salty and fresh taste, and is really delicious. This is a dish that everyone must make and eat at home. I share new simple recipes every day. If you like simple cooking and happy eating like me, then you have come to the right channel. Follow me now, otherwise you may not find me if you accidentally delete it. After accumulating 365 recipes a year, you can cook every dish differently in a year. Let's cooking! Ingredients are salted egg, white tofu, and mixed beans. Remove mud from salted eggshell and steamed for 10 minutes. Place salted egg yolk and salted white separately. Mash salted egg yolk and salted egg white. Place tofu into plate and set aside. Stir-fry salted egg yolk until foaming. Add tofu. Cut tofu into big chunks. Add half glass hot water, simmering until release of flavor. Add mixed beans and cook until softened. Add salted egg white. Salted egg braided white tofu is done. Look at the golden salted egg yolk gravy. You can taste the soy flavor of tofu in this dish, and it goes really well with rice when paired with the rich golden salted egg yolk sauce. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. YouTube. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. Generally speaking, although tofu is good, even ordinary people should not eat too much at one time. Otherwise, it may lead to iodine deficiency and indigestion. Patients with gout, renal insufficiency, and people with cold stomachs should not eat too much. When eating tofu, try to eat less or not at all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.